Hey, lovelies. Did you know that over 6.8 billion people now use smartphones? And an increasing number of them, they earn money without even leaving their home, without leaving their coaches. In 2025, making money online has never been easier or easier, especially if you have a smartphone. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking into a side income, these five lazy methods will help you and while keeping your stress level at zero, not going to fight with and your your bosses and other people. But before we dive into this, thanks very much you guys for watching and don't mind about my voice. I had a cold, but nevertheless, since I'm at home, I said I have to make money. However much my voice is a bit down, you'll excuse me. There are different ways of making money just with my smartphone lazily, and I've been doing it. The first one that is very common is watching video and ads. How do you watch video ads and how does it work? To work with this, you have to get platforms. We have different platforms that provide this. And what are those platforms? The most beautiful platforms and a recommendable platform that I know are like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Cashcake. These platforms they pay you to watch short videos or watch ads. It is as simple as opening your app, you hit play and earn points or cash rewards. How do you do it? I want you to go to their platforms, sign in. I'll be putting all their links in the comment section or in the description, but in our description. So you just go, click there, follow the prompts, and make sure you do what is supposed to be done. Why do I call it the laziest way? You don't need any skill, by the way, for you to start using your smartphone and internet. You can watch while relaxing, commuting, or even or being on your favorite shows. Like me, I always do this one when I'm watching one of the movie called 24. 24. If you know it, put it in the comment section. So, guys, let me tell you the truth. There is no other better way that you can make money lazily in 2025. Moreover, with your smartphone like this one, it is very easy to do them. So, I know you can also start it. What is the potential of this platform? The potential is not very hard and it is not very high. The beginners, you can start earning $5 to $10 daily, depending on which platform and how long do you spend on it. Remember, I always tell you that these platforms, all of them, me, I bring for you now, but not all of them are yours, and not all of them are going to work for you. So, what you do by the end of this video, you would have selected which one can I do best. The second platform is answering surveys, or the second way to earn money is answering surveys. I started doing these surveys some time back. Now it's like 1 year and above. Whenever I would get free time, I would do surveys, and you can do these surveys. You don't need any skill. You don't need any paper qualification to do this. What you need to do is to be specific, to be open, and do the right thing. Apps like Survey Junkies, Toluna, and Google Opinion Rewards pay users for sharing their opinions. Each survey takes 5 to 20 minutes and rewards you in cash or gifts. You can go to also these platforms. You will appreciate them. And these platforms, I gave them. I remember I've given this one out of 10. I gave it 7 out of 10. You know why? Because the earning potential is a bit low. You can earn like from $2 to $5 per survey, depending on the length of the platform. Then when you go to the third way of making money lazily is selling photos. I know most people, you know why I had to research on it. I've not sold photos, but I've been on platforms that have bought photos. So if I can buy photos, I pay some dollars on a weekly basis to buy photos to use in my videos, to use in my blogs. Why not make them also some other people they do it? So you're going to say, Christine, how does this one work? I always take photos. I always have photos. What do I do? You know what you do? You just use your smartphone. If you have a decent camera, very clear, just go upload your photos to platforms. Take photos of different different resolution and different meanings with standard high resolution. Like now that Christmas is coming up, this is would be your first step to start. So what are these platforms? We have platforms like Shutterstock. You guys, it's where I get my photos. But now I got another platform, Pixel Free and Premium. They are very good. Then there is FOWAP. There is also IEM. Companies and individuals buy these photos for their projects. So why don't you use this? Why do I call it lazily? You don't need professional photographer skills. Even basic photos of food, landscape, or project can sell. You guys, this platform, I gave it a 7 out of 10. Why? Because its earning potential is very high. It is 5 to 100 per photo, depending on the demand and the season. So what are you encouraging? You be uploading depending on the season. So people, this season is for Christmas, go for this. The fourth way and the beautiful way is listening to music. Why do I bring listening music the fourth way? You're going to say, Christine, how do I listen to music and I earn? There are platforms that really help you to earn money while listening to music. How does it work? You go to platforms like Current Slice, the Pie. Then you go also to the Predictor. I've not used them, but I know they are very okay. Pay users to listen to your music and provide feedback. Some apps also pay you simply playing music in the background. Why do I recommend this one? I recommend it because you are already listening to music here. Then why not go and get paid while listening? If you are listening music for free and you're putting your data, why not listen and they pay you? Just turn on the app, let the songs play and earn with you, lifting just without even lifting a finger. You guys, the earning potential here is 10 out of 20, so I gave it to a 5 out of 10. And you can get this one depending on your time that you spend there. This one is sweeting me. The next one, which is the fifth, is sweeting me, and most people always want it, but I don't know you people why. Whether if you're in the comment section and you've tried it, it has worked for you, can you please put something in the comment section? It is about chatting online. I remember I did a video on 5 websites and all good websites for you to earn money by chatting. You can also go there and check which websites are there. But meanwhile, for you, if you want to chat online and get paid, you can go to website like Rent a Cyber Friend, Friend PC, Friendly. There are very many more than that. This one they pay you to chat with people, whether it is offering companionship, friends advice, or small talk. All you need is a phone and internet connection. It's lazy. Why do I call it lazy? Just sit down, you're at the comfort of your home and you're texting, you're just gisting with friends. Why not that? But you get paid. The platform often allows you to set your own schedule and rates. That's why these ones I gave them a 8 out of 10, and you can earn from 15 to 50 per chat session depending on the platform. So guys, if you've been looking for the easiest ways to earn money online, and I know most people want to earn money online but they don't want to put energy, now this is your chance. Download these apps, pick up a method that suits you, and start earning today. Which of these ones do you feel you can try among all these lazy ways to earn money online? But meanwhile, guys, pray for me. I'll be better. My voice will come back. But don't forget, like this video, subscribe. Don't forget our aim in 2025. It is 100 subscribers. 100,000 subscribers. Without mentioning, we need to be earning more than 1,000 on each of the platform. Thank you very much.